students. Today we are going to discuss about external source of recruitment. There are two sources, one is internal and second one is external. Internal we have discussed. Now the external source of recruitment. What is that? External source whenever an organization fill their vacancy from outside the organization, means they appoint the people from outside the organization. There are many sources from where we can appoint the people from outside. It will not be created within the organization, so that means whenever organization needs people, they can go outside and appoint the people. They can select the people on the basis of their capability, on the basis of their skill. So what are the merits of this external source of recruitment? Because first is fresh talent. Whenever you recruit the people from outside the organization, you get you have to gain some fresh talent in your organization. New blood comes into the business. Next is wider choice. You have so many choices. You can select the best suitable from pool of candidate from outside the world, outside the organization. So that is why you have the wider choice. Next is qualified personnel. You can appoint the people as per their qualification. Like as a manager, as an employee, you have to appoint the people as per their qualification. Latest technological knowledge. You can appoint the people for your organization who are having latest technological knowledge, because new technology will be updated, and so that is why the people who are having latest technology will be recruited under external source. Next is competitive spirit. If you appoint the people from outside the organization, then the competition will also increase. Every employee can compete with each other so that they can improve their performance as well. What are the demerits of this organization? First, morale goes down, because if we appoint the people from outside the world, the existing employee morale will also go down. They will not motivated, because they they will demotivated and do not do the work very effectively. More rules and regulation. Whenever you appoint the new people, then they have to follow more rules and regulations. So that is why some people are not following rules and regulation which are followed by an organization. Third one is expensive. This method is very expensive, because whenever you have to appoint the people from outside the organization, then certain you have to involve so many costs, like recruitment, selection, training, development, etc. And the lengthy process you have to follow. Whenever you recruit the people from outside the organization, you have to follow the staffing process, the eight steps which you have to follow while selecting a person. So that is why it is a lengthy process. So what are the methods of external source of recruitment? One is direct recruitment. Direct recruitment means whenever an organization needs a people, they can put the notice on their on the gate of their office, so that anyone can walk in into anyone can read this notice, and they can come into for walk-in interview. Only then the people can be appointed, for example peon, servant, etc. Second one is casual caller. Whenever you have received the application from the applicant for filing the vacancies, and if the employees are not selected from that applicant, then these applicant can keep the organization with them, and they can call after next year for their filling the vacant vacancies. So that is why the casual caller is there. Now third one is advertising. You can whenever an organization appoint the people to fill the vacancies, then they can give the advertisement in newspaper, magazines, TV, radio, etc. So that so that advertisement can reach the mass peoples, and they can apply from the advertisement. Next is employment exchange. It is a government department which serves as a link between job seeker and the organization, because in this department a biodata of pool of candidates are generated, and then it will be forwarded to the organization which needs the people. So employment exchange are always there. So this is about the external source and methods of external sources of recruitment. You have to prepare this and send it to me.